Hello, welcome to Corky's Tea Time. Well, I have pulled out this little featherweight, and I'm going to use that to attempt to put in a 1/4 inch seam on the chickens that we got from Rita's Roost. I still working on them, you know, life, you know, and so I will be trying to find a home for this sweet little machine. I can't do her justice because I don't use her. I bought her. I loved her. This is only the second time I've ever pulled it out to actually stitch something. And it just sits in the china cabinet. And that's where it's been for about 10 years, 10 plus years. This is a 1851 to 1951. This is a blue badge. This is a century celebration Singer featherweight. And so I'm not using it. It just sits around. So I need to find her a good home. Let me take this pin out. And I have plenty of parts, lots of accessories to go with it. And I don't even use the machine, so how would I have even used any accessories? They're just all in the box. And I have the original box that came with it. And it's been maintained and it's been oiled, but just never used. It just sits there. And I'm not exactly sitting straight to resewing. And with my tremors and, it's just a little bit hard. And so she needs a good home where she'll be loved and used. Because she is a runner, that is for sure. Yeah. Now this side seam guide thing was supposed to, it's a modern piece, so there we go. We'll see how we do. I gotta stop and take out a pin. I need to turn the table so I can be more aligned with it. Yeah, this is a very lightweight table. Very lightweight. IKEA, hollow. And I know this is supposed to be 1/4 inch, but when you have tremors, it's anything a 1/4 inch in life anymore. So it's a great little machine. It just keeps going and going and going. Like I said, it's their Centennial, the 100-year, 1851 to 1951. It's a blue badge. Yeah. Sewing the best that I can. Maybe a little crooked, but that's okay. That's alright. Everything else is crooked. So when you put all the crookedness together, it'll all line up. I remember when I was a little kid, we used to sing that song about there was a crooked man who lived on a crooked road. And I can't remember how it went, but I sure think about it sometimes. I'm like, boy, that applies to me these days. But she's so quiet. This is a sewing machine that you could sew in an RV with and everybody could sleep right through it. It is just so quiet. You could sew at night while people are sleeping. They're not going to hear this machine. It is so quiet. And it's so straight, and I don't even really have to apply anything. Wait a minute. I'm going off because I didn't pull a pin. Shoot! I hate that. Oh well. Dang on it. Operator error every time. I tell ya. just snip the threads and keep going. Just get back in alignment. Oh, I hate the magnet for the straight pins because then the scissors pick up the magnets that the pins have picked up. Okay. The struggle is real, folks, so that's why she deserves a good home. And I'll be finding her a home. Yeah. Because I sure don't do her justice. Not by having her sit in the china cabinet. And she is a pretty one. Okay. And it has the original Bakelite foot. And it has new wiring. So nobody has to worry about anything about that part. I'm just not a straight sewer. I am not good at this. I'm going to take... This is from the, what do they call the Singer Featherweight shop. This piece here. Let's see if I can get it unscrewed now. There we go. It's supposed to be like a seam gauge. You see? I don't know if it shows up good. And it goes with the machine, but that's a newer piece. That's acrylic. The decals and the paint on this are really pretty good. And I'm going to tell you the truth. I think somebody who previously owned this, I think it was a grandma. I think that she really, really used this machine. And she took good care of it. It's in really good shape. Like I said, the paint and the decals are in really good shape. And you can just see a few scratches right here in the sewing area. And I'm like, she must have really sewed. You know, those must be pins. And not bad at all. Sometimes I wonder if a good rub out could get rid of that, you know. And all the Bakelite parts are in excellent condition, you know. So this machine sews so straight, so straight. That's the part that makes you want to keep it so much, is how straight it is. But I have too many machines and she just sadly sits, you know. It is beautiful. And I will show you the stitching now. None of these pins hang onto the scissors. Okay. Can you see the stitching at all on this side here? I can see it between the green leaf and the flower. Do you see the stitching? Then I'll show you the back. This is so tight and so clean. This is really good. And this is the back. See that stitching? And then we'll fold this over. There we go. Come on, hands. Work. Work, work, work. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. Okay, I'll give you the sample that I just did one of the chickens. Isn't that cute? There's one of the chickens. And then here's the side piece. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, well, I'm going to keep moving along here and get this finished up. And I will keep you all posted on how it turns out, okay? Have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.